In this video, we're going to be drawing a Nonu or Noni plant with color pencils. We will begin the outline of the plant with apple green. The outline will start with the larger leaves. There will also be smaller leaves and new fruit in the middle. Apple green is used to outline the newer fruit on the lower left. We will start to outline the inside of the leaves. We will also outline some of the details with cream color. Cream color is used for the mature fruit on the lower right. Olive green is used to darken the outline on the outer edge of the leaf. The outer edge of the leaf is also called the margin. As a reference, the scientific name for the plant is Morinda citrifolia. The plant is known as Nonu or Nonu-Hawaiʻi in Samoa. The plant is known as Noni in Hawaii and throughout the Pacific. Although the common name is Indian mulberry, many products are marketed with the name Noni. We will use spring green. Spring green is a lighter green which will also help to highlight some of the details inside the leaves. Spring green will help to add color to the mid-vein or mid-rib along with the lateral veins. Spring green will also be used to detail the fruit. Spring green will help to provide contrast from the darker greens previously used. Olive green was then used to add shading or value inside the leaves. The shading was started lightly and then built up to become darker. The leaves are primarily green. The leaves were colored by alternating between a few green colors. These included olive green, spring green, and apple green. Olive green was used for the darker values, while spring green and apple green were used for the lighter colors. We will outline the larger fruit on the lower left. Apple green is then used to outline the fruit on the lower left. Olive green was used on the new fruit to detail some of the outline. The lighter green colors were also used for most of the newer fruit. Because the leaves are so large and the green color so prominent, much time was spent filling them in, alternating between these green colors. We're adding more detail inside the leaves to help add some value and shape. The leaves of the Nonu are not completely flat. They have a slight curve overall, but sometimes can have many curves inside the structure of the leaf. This internal structure of the leaf is called the lamina or leaf blade. We're adding some detail inside the leaves to help add some value and shape. We will repeat the process for the leaf on the right. We will first add value to the lamina or leaf blade. After the leaf blade is initially filled in, we will darken the internal outlines to help define the curve shapes. At this point, we have a good start on the leaves. We will continue to fill them in with the various green colors. At this point, the leaves have been initially filled in. We will fill in the veins of the leaf again using the lighter green colors. We will use olive green as our darker green for the mature fruit. This will help to separate it from the olive green that we've been using in the leaves. We will also use peach to help fill in the mature fruit. We will also use cream over the peach to help fill in the mature fruit. We will use peach and press down very hard to outline the mature fruit. At this point, we'll continue to use the green to help fill in the leaves. As a side note, the Nonu or Noni has many uses throughout the Pacific. Both historically and in modern times, the uses were cultural and medicinal. After this first time of drawing a Nonu, I will likely draw it again. That being said, I'm glad to share the drawing with you. Faʻafetai tele lava mo lau mai mua mai. Thank you very much for your view.